guys, and welcome to my channel. This is the very first video that you're ever watching in my little corner of cyberspace. Hey, how you doing? My name is Dominique, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for Boxycharm. This is my July 2020 box, and I have a subscription for them, so I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I got in this box. So if this is the type of content that you're into and you think you might like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please click that subscribe button below because subscribing equals awesomeness. You can also stay up to date with me outside of this platform, and I'll have links to my Twitter and my Instagram below. So let's get into this amazing video. And this is our July 2020 box, and it is pretty cool. We have a lot of items, so I'm going to do swatches on some of this stuff, and I'm just going to do price points and let you guys know what these are. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first product that we have here is our Ace Beauty Blush in Paradise. I'm just going to take off the little thing, and this is what this looks like. This is super pretty, and the packaging is so beautiful, and this is what she looks like. I think this is super duper pretty, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna do swatches, and this is a blush. So the first swatch we're gonna do right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It doesn't really have names for these, which is kind of annoying. It's the first swatch, if you guys can see. And the first swatch is for this little blush right here. The second swatch we're gonna do right here, and this is what that looks like. It's a little pretty, and this is for this blush right here. The next swatch we're gonna do, oh, I like that one. This is the third swatch right here, and this is for this beautiful color right here. And the fourth swatch, let's take out Pinky. It's probably gonna be my favorite. Ooh, yes, I like that. And this is the fourth swatch for this Ace Beauty blush palette, and it will be this one. The Blush in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much loved Paradise collection. The 4 blush shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color, and the price point for this palette is $30. The one thing that's kind of annoying is if you've never heard of blush of Ace Beauty, which I've never heard of this brand before, which is not a bad thing. I'm always looking to discover new brands, new makeup lines, because I think that's so important. I think there are a lot of indie makeup out there, and I think some of them have better quality than a lot of the established brands and makeup lines. So I'm always looking to find something, and what I really wish that they would have did before is, if you didn't know anything about Ace Beauty, I wish they would put at least one more product in here, or at least just give the names of the products, because the packaging is beautiful. I love the packaging, but there's nothing that really differentiates for me what the colors are. Like, you can't really tell, you know, it doesn't really have a story except that it's just different shades, but they are beautiful swatched on. The shade that I'm probably liking the most is this deep reddish shade right here, which is pretty, and it's going to look so nice on. So this is Ace Beauty. This is a $30 palette. It also has all the ingredients in the back. The net weight is 17.6 grams, 0.62 ounces. And yeah, so if you guys want to see what the ingredients are, they list everything right here. So the next product that we're going to be talking about is Everyday Vacay from Ciate London. This is a dewy coconut setting mist, and this is what it's like inside the box, which is really pretty. And so basically this product gives you dewy fresh skin. This is Ciate London, so let's take it out of the little box. Ooh, this is really nice size. And this is what the pump looks like. This is pretty. Oh, this is very nice. I like this. So let's see what Ciate London. Okay, set and fresher makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay setting spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra fine mist holds makeup with micro pearls and adds a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. I'm not really a beach person, but this would be pretty fun if I wanted to get that, I guess, the beach feel. This is what they're marketing as. The price point for this is $22, which is not bad. And this is a nice sized bottle. Let's see. Oh, it doesn't really smell like coconut. Like, it says it does, but I've smelled, you know, I've eaten coconut things before, and I actually had a coconut perfume before. This doesn't smell like it, though it's advertised that it smells like coconut, so that's just a little weird. Maybe, I guess, if you let it sit a while, maybe you'll get that coconut smell, but I don't really smell it. But this is a good sized bottle for $22. So this is the Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. That does not smell like coconut. So the next thing I have in my box is, what is this? Doucce. Ooh, liners. I'm more of a gel liner. Preferably, that's kind of my go-to liners, but I always look for good liquid liners, and this one is pretty sleek. It's a fierce and fine graphic pen. It has a fine tip graphic liquid liner, and let's see what Doucce says. A deeply pigmented, I mean, it's black. Well, how pigmented can it be? I don't know. I just found that funny when they're like, it's deeply pigmented. I mean, it's just a black liner. A deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or a thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application, and it is $21. I kind of think this reminds me of the Tarte liner, which was $21 too, and I did not like that liner. Okay. Okay, this is what it is. Let's do another one so you guys can see. That's not bad. You know, it's pretty. That's not bad. Pigmented, one swipe, and I got this amount of color payoff, so that's pretty good. So I'm always looking for something where it's like effortless. I just go, and this is $21 for this liner. Doucce, the Fierce and Graphic pen. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about in this box is the Lordy, that's the box. So the next thing that we're going to be talking about is the Clear Skin Club, and this is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It is watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. I mean, that's a lot of flavor. It's a lot of flavors. How to use: as a booster, mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning and the evening, so multi-usage. That's pretty cool. And as a serum, apply 3 drops directly to the face and neck after cleansing. So you can either mix this into your face lotions and things like that, or you can apply this directly as a serum after you wash your face. So this is, let's show you guys what this actually looks like. And it has an applicator tip. This is what this looks like, and it has an applicator tip, which is pretty cool. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract comes together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for a glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's actually see if it smells like pineapple, watermelon, and green tea. I get the watermelon and I smell the green tea. I don't really smell the pineapple, but 2 out of 3 ain't bad. That's better than the Vacay, where you can't even smell the coconut. So 2 out of 3 is not bad. So I really want to try this in like in my evening, because I like to put serums on at night just to help my skin, because I do have acne and things like that. So I want to try to get as make my skin as healthy as possible and prep it for the next day. So if this is a booster, I want to see what it does overnight, because I really like to see what serums do overnight versus in the day. Yeah, I definitely want to try this, and the price point for this is $49.95. $49.95. Ooh, she's expensive. This damn near $50 for this, girl. You know how much makeup you can get versus this? I mean, I think I would pay $30 for this. I'm not paying $50. That's just me. If you guys want to pay $50, you can. She is not. Like, once this runs out, this will run out. But I will definitely try that. And this is the Soldier Journal. Strengthening, smoothing. Basically, this is shampoo. So we have this. This is shampoos. You get a shampoo and conditioner, basically like any type of shampoo you buy, you always get a conditioner with it. Let's smell this. I always like to smell my shampoos. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I really like smelling them. Ooh, this smells nice. This kind of reminds me, this kind of smells like that Aussie shampoo, the one in the purple bottle. Let's see what this does. It says set. This set includes a creamy, lather sulfate-free shampoo and a creamy, rich, yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchable, soft hair. The patented SOL seal technology is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair. I mean, this is basically claiming to do what every other shampoo claims to do. Basically, will stop breakage, smooth out your hair, give you a nice shine. And this is $24. Like, I kind of have shampoos that I use that are more for my kind of texture of hair. I have 4C hair, so that is just more for my texture of hair. But I tend to find that a lot of these types of shampoos strips out the oils and stuff in my hair. I do kind of like the little slogan that they have on here. It says, love it, flaunt it, you got it. That's kind of cute. That's really catchy. So these are the products that I got in my Boxycharm box this month. I hope you guys liked this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.